Okay, got the Tennessee Birdwalk Plymouth, number 7, ready to be tested out here. And we'll rev it up here. And here we go. Whoa, and off it goes. Running everything at stock. Original tires, not trued. And we'll get it back on track here in a minute. Wow. Well, we'll put it back over here and get it going again. I'll check everything here. Here's what it looks like. Everything's stock. Put it down there again. And off we go. Whoa. Glad I caught it then. Last lap. Beautiful car though. I can see I need to put maybe some Bobcat tires on them. And I like the looks. It really is quite a beautiful car. Let's see here. Make sure you can see it. Okay. All right. So this is a 426 cubic inch engine. Sure felt like it going around. And original driver is Ramo Stott. S-T-O-T-T. And it's called the Tennessee Birdwalk, I guess. Fun car. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.